A lot of times when you're undocumented, you feel that you just don't belong anywhere. Making sure that, they belong at a college or university is really important for them to stay here.
The Undoc Resource Program is designed to support undocumented students from all walks of life and ethnic backgrounds.
They might be looking for financial aid, any support with their DACA renewal, or any other legal advice or information they might be seeking. It's really important to have these kind of programs and centers on different campuses, like two-year colleges or universities, because these students are everywhere. These students are just, trying to go to school.
I realized, wow, I could benefit from this. And that's exactly what other students and other people need to see as well. I ran into some problems with my personal DACA renewal. I was getting stressed out and I thought I have to drop out of school, work 2 jobs just to cover this. I dropped in and then everything was taken care of within a week and a half. And I was still enrolled in school and I thought that was phenomenal.
My family really wants me to get a degree and be able to walk the stage and be next to my cousins and say that we all have a career. And not having the DACA, it's closing all those doors for me. At the Student Center, they'll help whoever comes in and they'll have their doors open for you.
They explained to me that it was for people like me, who are considered AB 540 students or undocumented or dreamers. If I couldn't find any scholarship or anything that they offered, I would have not known anything about that, and I would have just been kind of on my own, hoping that something would come my way. It's actually finding the help and resources that's the frustrating hard part.
The biggest concerns with students is lack of help and how to find it.
Maybe someone that I can trust and be able to just communicate with them, and if any questions come up, be able to have a conversation with them about it.
The political climate too is kind of hard. Who is really out there for you and who can you really trust?
Just safe support, having the program there for you, walking in at any time and being able to talk to someone and immediately have that relationship with them.
As a former undocumented student myself, I needed people to come to me and let me know that, it's safe for me to actually speak out and say that I'm undocumented, I need help. It's a way for them to finish their studies, what they came here for.
This center is very, very important, not to just me or people that work in it, but knowing that there's a lot of students out there that don't know about it.
We want our undocumented student populations to know that we would never report their information to any authority.
We do care for student safety first. That's our main priority.
When you have that degree, no one can take that from you.
If people are willing to work hard for their education and really have that drive for it, then there should be nothing to stop you.
They are not alone. We're going to go above and beyond to help them.
If we stop caring, then we lose everything.
It takes a campus, it takes the whole village to be able to meet the needs of the undocumented student population.